Alright folks, new delivery for the Subaru classic JDM STI wheels, 16-inch, gold as well. They're going to be going on this beast today. As you guys know, we've got these horrible 18s on here which are sanded down and God knows what else. Tires are half decent but they just don't suit the car. Mika Blue needs gold wheels. Hope you guys are enjoying this regular content. I'm trying to keep it just like a semi-daily kind of vlog now because we've got enough cars to cover. Before, when there was only one car, I didn't want to just keep filming every other day because it gets quite repetitive. The way we'll do today's video, I'll put the wheels on because nothing too difficult. Can torque it up all good. And because they've got tyres on them, they're pretty decent. Should be good to drive, but we are going to head over to a tyre place as well because I want to get the tyres balanced. We'll have a look as well. They might be able to do alignment for us as well today. We can leave these old wheels home. Also, if you do want them, do let me know. Drop me a message on Instagram. You can buy them off me. We've got decent tyres on them as you will have seen in the previous video, but I'm not going to be having any need for them. These brake calipers look lost behind these 18s, but I test fitted one of them. Makes a huge difference. I would have had these on a few days ago, but they only sent out 3 to me on Friday. Today's Monday. The last one finally came in the post. I was a bit confused. What am I doing with 3 wheels? Got the center caps as well. Condition wise, they're not too bad. They've got matching tires all the way around, some Firehawk ones. They're 205, 55, 16. But yeah, they suit the car a lot better than these do. And give it that retro kind of look. So a few things have been arriving in the post as well. We've got a brake bleeding bottle, Motel RBF 600. This is going to be for the GTI though. The Impreza's brakes we're not touching just yet. We've got a few other things that are priority, other bits and whatever. The main one here for the reservoir. So I may be doing the brake bleeding of the GTI at a unit, but I thought I'd get this for when we do the Subaru, we can do it at home. Impact sockets. You've got to have the black ones, you can't use the chrome ones. Breaker bar, or torque wrench to be precise. Got to torque them wheels up correctly. Alright, cars on planks, much easier to slide the jack under. There's a central jack input on this, and then you put the stands on the pinch weld here. The pinch welds are kind of weak though, so they can deteriorate if I show you on this side. So you slowly lower it down with the jack stand. So weirdly, each one of the nuts that are on here actually have a locking kind of thing that comes with it, so it's not just one like on the other ones. But I've just noticed something. This wheel nut is missing. What about on here? Again, 4 as well, so it's a bit sketchy, guys. I just noticed. Yeah, it's taking a mick, that is. I don't even know why there's 4 out of 5 on there. I have luckily ordered a set. They will be coming. Apparently they should have came today, but again, everything doesn't seem to get delivered on time. Ordered them in black as well, because of the 4, the ones that on here, they're like these kind of nasty rainbow colored kind of vibe. It's just horrible, man. It just doesn't do a car like this justice at all. Well, I've only seen that now, that the fact there's only 4 could have been quite sketchy. That I need to check the torque on them as well. Maybe not even torque down. The thing is, I did drive the car with this lack of one wheel, not a situation on each of those 2 wheels. I didn't know. I looked at this side and this side was all good. I went to get fuel in this the other day. Took it out for about half an hour. I'm not boosting it around because of the inlet pipe that we need to change. Alright, so there we go, wheel off. As you can see, they're this style of fitment where you put it on the studs and then knot it up with these horrible things. The brakes aren't great on this, I'll be honest with you, in the test drive. All of this could be surface rust, I'm not sure, or it could be actual rust, but imagine getting one of these off, they're probably going to spin or snap. There we go. Yeah, way lighter than those 18s. I don't even know what them 18s are for. Now I know some of you will be asking why I haven't cleaned the inside. Reason being, the whole car is going to get a proper clean this weekend, so we'll take these off again anyway. We're going to clean the calipers, we'll do it all properly. Front suspension strut, left side inspection. Well, from what I can see anyway. Less brown rust everywhere. The ball joints do need doing. There they are. I've got them in the car actually, so we'll get them changed. Nasty pieces of work these are. 12mm by 1.25. Rainbow with rust. I think I found our issue. This one here, maybe that's the one that was left off, is actually a bit mashed up on the edge. Look, if I try putting the knot on, doesn't go on. It's cross threading. Definitely gonna need some advice on that one. Never been in this situation before, so yeah, just comment down below. It will help out a lot. I'm new to all of this, especially a Subaru, but I believe this is probably an issue with a lot of cars, but yeah, let me know. Right, front two are on, looking a lot better already. We'll get it down, torque them up, and then we'll move on to the back. Alright, so front's done. It's like a square setup, so the back two are the same. What's quite interesting is we've got what looks to be Sachs damper, which isn't that old because it's still black. There's no rust covered on it. It's covered in underseal though, so I don't know if it's hiding a lot. The strut tower rust is another common thing on these GC8 Imprezas. It happens. So yeah, don't know if that's been just done to hide it. We'll have to find out, but for now, let me know about this. Is this an upgrade one? Yeah, we'll just get the wheel on. Finger tighten first. Don't want to ruin these threads as well whilst we're at it. It's all coming together now. JDM look. I was doing some research last night. Apparently this is the version 5 spoiler, so it's all keeping with the car because this is a version 5 Impreza. I think I've decided to keep the wing. I believe it's the same type of wing that was on the 1997 rally cars. So what I was trying to say in the reveal video is that I was going for the 555 look, which is a small spoiler, but that's still a rally, so we'll keep that for now. It's worth a good bit of money as well. So bit of rust there, I don't want to pull that off. That's okay, it's nothing too important. Up here, second strut tower covered in understeel, but then that's all been welded, this whole panel internally, so wheel arch might be okay. Just want to check where this seats onto. Again, another Sachs damper, same on this side, so both changed. Looks like again we've got the same issue with a cross-threaded stud here, so I don't know what to do with that. So more issues to solve. So it's just the left side really. The right side, both of them have 5, all good. 4 on both of these left side ones. I don't know what was going on the left hand side. Right folks, there it is. Impreza's finally got its proper wheels on it. Transforms the car, man. Wheels are everything. I want to go with the quality style of build with this one, so as you can see, going with the OEM look for now. Rally car. Definitely need to get the original recirc back on. It's such an occasion drive, this thing, I tell you. It's crazy. You don't get this feeling from any German hot touch. I've made it in one piece so far. Nearly there. Check engine light hasn't come on today. Clap in, yeah, round of applause. So yeah, let's just get this thing inside. See, after a while, yeah, the check engine comes on because that pipe needs changing. 1750. Yeah. I mean, I just put the wheel. Let alone for that price. I know. Hold on, let me get on video properly. Alright, that's enough fun, yeah. Once we get the stud sorted and also the turbo inlet pipe, then we'll take it for a first drive. On the way here, I was just keeping it low, high gear. Not really boosting it yet. Gave it a few revs, but that's about it. I don't want to be taking the mick with it because we haven't finished our inspections on the car. Luckily this place isn't too far from my house, so it's alright to drive down. Yeah, we only got 4 on that side, but it's just how it was. I test drove the car like that. I didn't know at the time. That's how it is, isn't it? 20-year-old car. I don't know what exhaust that is. It got a big back box, but can't tell what brand it is. It sounds decent though. Thinking to go with like a Hayward and Scott or something like that. Group A style, but they are big money. Alright, so the wheels are back on, just balanced it, just to have for peace of mind anyway. What we're going to do, because we got the ramp here, we'll get it up, just have a look at what the alignment is. Yeah. We'll just get a quick reading, see what the sketch is. I'm not too fussed about getting alignment today. And yeah, we'll call it a day. Sensors all on each wheel. There's a lock as well on here. Not too bad.
That's pretty much where it wants to be.
Okay.
And just wants an adjustment on the front driver side.
Because it does drive fairly straight, to be fair. And we haven't really had any issues with it. You reckon there's exhaust leak?
You have to be under.
Oh, it is whistling on it. So yeah, we're going to change the exhaust anyway. That kind of explains it, because I didn't notice this thing does have a bit of fuel smell, so we need to torque them up a bit. It's fine though, I mean, this stuff's all going to get done, so it's not like a big thing or shit, like it's not all done properly. So we had a look at it. The fans come on at the right time, so we got actually...
Basically, it's red on here.
Okay.
And it's completely seized to the rod.
Right.
So you need a new rod and a new track rod in.
Okay.
Have to go for both sides. Literally side. So much it's tracked on pretty much.
Yeah, it's on pretty much. So this side, which is that one there, we need to sort that out.
Good focus on the sealing as well.
Yeah, he's just coated everything, hasn't he?
Yeah. So yeah.
Yeah. But it's fine though, I guess for now it's alright. The fan turns off as soon as we stop talking, man. Yeah, I think we'll cut the video here. That was a new wheel set on the Subaru. I was about to say GTI. There'll be a new video in a few days time. GTI's brakes are going on Friday. It's Monday today. Yeah, just stay tuned for regular content. I'll see you in the next video.